It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth leather combination interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above we have OnStar, and next we have Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, and we also have the auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. This Encore GX comes with the Sport Touring package, which includes a sport bumper, front and rear, a custom grille with red accents, LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and a power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop open the lift gate. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo lights, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some USB ports, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.